If your Dell docking station isn't detecting one or more monitors, you're definitely not alone. External display issues are among the most common docking station complaints, and they usually show up as one monitor not appearing, displays disconnecting after sleep mode, limited resolution options, or unreliable hot plugging when connecting cables. Most detection problems fall into four main categories. First, loose or faulty hardware connections. Even a slightly unseated HDMI or DisplayPort cable can interrupt signal negotiation. Second, outdated drivers. Graphics, chipset, and docking station drivers must all work together. When one is outdated, Windows may fail to properly recognize connected monitors. Third, bandwidth limitations. Running multiple high-resolution displays through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt connection can exceed available bandwidth, especially with older docks. Fourth, power management conflicts. Windows sometimes disables USB or PCIe devices to conserve energy, which can interrupt display detection after sleep or reboot. Start troubleshooting with hardware checks. Reset all video cables and test each monitor individually to rule out a defective display. Confirm your docking station's power adapter meets the required wattage, since insufficient power can limit monitor functionality. Next, update drivers in the correct order. Begin with docking station firmware and drivers from Dell's official support page. Then update your graphics drivers directly from Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Afterward, use Dell Command Update if available to ensure firmware is current. Driver and firmware updates resolve most detection issues. In Windows display settings, click Detect manually and test different modes such as Extend instead of Duplicate. For persistent issues, disable USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link State Power Management in Advanced Power Settings to prevent the system from cutting power to display pathways. Newer USB 4 and Thunderbolt docks have improved bandwidth handling, but older models may struggle with multiple 4K displays. If problems continue after these steps, testing with a different cable, port, or compatible laptop can help isolate whether the dock itself is at fault.